All right, so back again. We're gonna do an update on the Amazon ads that I've been running on one of my books that I released. As of today, I had one sale. It looks as though it's on my manual campaign that I have, as far as I put all the keywords in there and didn't let Amazon pick them. But we're still gonna look at the auto placement one that I have right here. We can see as right now my daily budget is $10.50. My top search page, 26.09%. Spent about 55 cents on this one, but let's dig into it a little bit. All right, as you see here on the auto one that I created, letting Amazon do all the work as far as keywords and blah, blah, blah. I spent 55 cents, zero sales, 3,000 impressions, but I don't believe I had any clicks. I'm going to look a little bit further. So see if it's got any data for placements. I had one click here, product page, as far as with the impressions. Now, what I've been doing on both of them is gradually updating the amount that I have for the bid, and I'll show you that part as well. Let's look at the negative targeting keywords. I don't have any yet because it's still grabbing data on this one. With the auto campaign, it seems to go a little slow as far as grabbing the data, but I'll move up the budget a little bit, see if that helps. Right now, I didn't have any budgeting rules set. Campaign settings, you see it ends on the 19th. Daily budget of $10.50. Dynamic down, as I spoke about on the last one. 100% an additional bid strategy. Top search, got that there. Do I got anything in the history that needs to be looked at? Nothing in the history, just showing all that. So then I go to the ad groups, right? Then you go to whatever your ad group name is, click on there, and you can look at the targeting, go a little bit more in depth. And you can see what was that 55 cent spin on. It was a loose match. Negative targeting, I don't have anything listed because it didn't have any data as of right now. No search terms because it really hasn't been getting any clicks. I'm doing 60 cent. I'm going to boost this up to 75. Let it run overnight, see what happens. And nothing on history. So then I go back to all campaigns, and now I'm going to show you the one that I created manually to test out. Here it is here. All right. So I spent $48.66. Got $10 sale. $10.97. ACOS, the advertising cost per sale. This percentage of the sales that you spend on advertising. This is calculated by dividing your spend by sales attributed to the ads. Impressions was 20,000, right? Placements, let's look at that. So I got dynamic bids down, 16 clicks. Orders is 1. I'm gonna put more money into this one here. Let's do this. Let's do 110. Say. So as you can see, I got 23 clicks. I did have some negative keywords, things I didn't want to put the data on, but I don't know why it's not showing right now. It moved over, but we'll look at that. I can look at that later. It was just some of the things that I saw that really wasn't moving the needle, and I didn't want to waste money on it, so I shifted them yesterday. All right. As you can see, 25 a day. It ends on the 18th. Dynamic bids down, 100%. Product page, 110. Let's do 10. Save. I'm going to go from there. All right, go back to the ads group. Then I click on the ad group. As you can see, same data right there, but it shows the targeting. And this is what I want to look at, because from the research that I've done, it says once you find out as far as what's targeting, what's actually working, as far as getting clicks, then that's when you want to start putting all your money at. Search terms. So one sale here. which is weird. It's got one still here, but it doesn't show it there. I'll have to look on the this one right. Look at negative targeting right here. So these were negative targeting words or phrases or keywords that I saw. I've got one click on each one of these, but it didn't move the needle like at all. So over that time frame, I started seeing other keywords that were getting 2 and 3 or 4 maybe clicks. So I moved the ones that was getting 1 click and focused more so on those. I moved this up a while ago from 60 to 75 just to see what's going to happen, and I'm gonna let that one run. And then what I'll end up doing, if I see that the one that I created that Amazon is pushing, if I see that it's not getting any traction, I'm gonna move it up. Actually, I'm probably gonna move that one up to $1 just to see what happens. If I see that it doesn't get any clicks on it, I'm gonna focus more so on the manual ad that I created and then just start putting money towards that and see what happens from there. But I just want to give you an update. It's pretty interesting to get this data and try to figure it all out. But I think I'm moving in the right direction now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow the entrepreneur journey, because I don't do just books on here. I do others like side hustles and things of that nature. But I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Peace.